Here we have a Gen 2 or 2000 indicator. OTIS Gen 2 or early 2000. Or if OTIS wasn't as a lift, they use these as well. Yeah, this is the back of it. Isn't anything special, I suppose. That's the transformer for the backlight LED thing at the back. There with the multiplex chips for the display itself. That's the wiring thing. 4 pins, 2 power, 2 data. That's a voltage regulator. Regulates whatever you put into it down to a volt. Maximum voltage I think is 30 volt or something like that. You probably don't want to put main to this because it probably will blow up. That's to say what floor it's at. This was set for floor, I don't know what floor that was because they're all set at different values. That's the chime volume. Let me get my screwdriver. Flat one will be useful. Yeah, you can adjust that with your screwdriver or flat object that will fit in there. Let's actually show that. Yeah, screwdriver. That would be maximum volume and that's minimum volume. It shows it just above it there. You can see that. Right, here's my little wiring thing. This pin here is positive. That goes right at the top to there. And this one is negative. Let's get it off so I don't short anything out. It will chime once. And then keep on chiming twice until it gets a signal. That's maximum volume. That's minimum volume now. As you can see, it's much quieter. The indicator has actually lit up. You can't really see it because of how bright the light is. There we go. It's quite dim, but you can still see what's going on, I suppose. Let me just turn the lights back on because I can't see. Yeah, it's rather simple, I suppose. The 2 other wires, or pins or connectors or whatever they are for data. That's quite loud. Let's turn that off. It keeps on chiming until it gets a signal, I suppose. So if you leave it if it just got power, it will just keep on chiming, which probably can get quite annoying. And that's it.